Bathrooms are one of the most frequently used rooms in our house, so it's no surprise that they can get dirty pretty quickly. And when you're already really busy, especially if you have young kids at home, it can be a challenge to keep up with cleaning and maintaining your bathroom. But the good news is, if you have a simple process for easy maintenance, you won't have to do any more deep cleaning and scrubbing, and your bathroom will still stay sparkling. I'm going to share with you my favorite tips for maintaining a clean bathroom the easy way. The very first tip is to keep it as dry as possible. So, this one little thing makes such a big difference to how your bathroom looks on a day to day basis. Quickly wiping your sink and your bathtub and your toilet after you use them, and then leaving the bathroom fan on after you have your shower, just for a little while, just for a few minutes. That'll help reduce the moisture levels in your bathroom, which makes it a lot harder for mold and mildew to grow, which makes it easier to keep clean. The second idea is to clean as you go. It's a lot easier to keep your bathroom sparkling if you clean it as you use it. So wipe down your sink and the countertop whenever you're brushing your teeth. Pack your toiletries away so you don't have a lot of clutter on the countertop, and clean up spills from makeup as soon as they happen before they have a time to dry out and settle in. When you keep up with the small, repetitive actions, they don't get a chance to become big cleaning tasks, and it's so much easier. Speaking of easier, there are tools that you can use that make your job really easy when it comes to keeping your bathroom clean. So, have a good look and spend a few extra dollars to get that toilet brush that can reach every nook and cranny of your toilet bowl when you clean it, and get one that has a lid on it so that when it's not in use, it's not really gross to look at. Or you can get a simple dishwashing wand from Coles that you put a little dishwashing liquid into, a little bit of white vinegar, and keep that in your shower, because then you can scrub the tiles really easily the next time you're in the shower. A small squeegee for your shower doors will reduce buildup and make them easy to keep clean. And when you're cleaning your surfaces, think microfiber cloths instead of Chucks cloths or paper towels, because it's really easy to clean with those. Or if you're pressed for time and your kids are really little, you've only got a couple of seconds to clean, put a packet of disinfectant wipes in your bathroom drawer, and then, a couple of seconds to wipe down your surfaces. The last idea is to create a simple cleaning routine. The best time to clean your bathroom is while you're in there. So, wipe down your sink after you use it, clean your bathtub just before you take a bath, and then give it a quick wipe down when you hop out again. Give your toilet a quick wipe and swish after you use it, and clean the shower while you have one. It's nice and easy. You're wet anyway. Designate a day of the week to empty the bin and restock things like toilet paper or soap or whatever you're running low on. And that way you'll find that taking care of your bathroom becomes something you do on autopilot, and you don't have to do a big deep cleaning session every couple of weeks. I know I said that was the last tip, but I do have one more, and that's to use minimal cleaning products. You don't need 10 different products to keep your bathroom clean. One surface spray, one toilet cleaner, that's all you need. It'll take care of everything. And even your surface spray can be simple. We just use a homemade one. It's made with dishwashing liquid, a little bit of white vinegar and water. And we've been doing that for years without issue. Everyone's healthy, everyone's fine. It's better for the budget, better for the environment. You don't need really strong cleaners when you're maintaining your bathroom simple and easy and regularly. I hope you found these ideas helpful. If you're ready for next steps in organizing your home and life the easy way, you might want to check out my House and Family Binder. It's a very simple set of prints that help you get organized and run your household without stress or overwhelm. So I will leave a link for you so you can check it out, and I'll see you next time.